Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one magical soap for whitening. Come guys, let's start how to make this soap. For that first ingredient is flax seeds. Here I am going to take flax seeds. Here I am going to take 2 spoonful of flax seeds. As you all know guys, flax seed contains lignans and antioxidant properties that helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles on the face. As also flax seeds are having fatty acids that helps to keep our skin moisture and smooth. That will inherent quality of the flax seed that helps to keeping the skin tight and lessen sagging before age. So my second ingredient is oats. Here I am going to take oats here, Sapola oats. You can use any of the oats, or else you will get in loose also oats, which is available in the market. Oats will soak the excess oil from your skin and helps to treat acne. Oats is having antioxidant and inflammatory properties that helps to treat dry skin and remove dead cells also. It contains the compound of saponins that will works as a natural cleanser. It will help to remove the dirt and oil that clog pores and exfoliate the skin. So whenever I am taking, you have to take it equal quantity of all ingredients. Here I am taking 2 spoonful of oats. So my third ingredient is fresh aloe vera gel. If you are not having fresh aloe vera, you can use market aloe vera gel also. It will give you more benefit with fresh aloe vera. Try to keep a small plant at home. It is having lot of benefit guys. Aloe vera contains antioxidant, enzymes, vitamin A and vitamin C that is highly anti-inflammatory properties that helps to treat burns, acne and also for dry skins. Aloe vera works as a superficial surface acne rather than the cystic and deeper acne also. So here I am going to take it, fresh aloe vera. I will cut it into small pieces and I will put it in a jar. As of now I required this much of aloe vera gel, aloe vera leaf. Now I am going to grind all these 3 ingredients: oats, flax seeds and fresh aloe vera gel. Let me grind it finely. See guys, I have grinded well. See the consistency. In this now I am going to add glycerin. As I have told you in my previous videos also, glycerin is a great for skin because it acts as an humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. It will increase your skin hydration, relieve dryness and freshes the skin surface also. It also an illuminant, which means that it will keep your skin soft. 1 spoonful of glycerin. Already with soap I am making, in that glycerin is there. To make it best, I am adding some more glycerin. And my next ingredient is almond oil. Almond oil is good for your skin and also it reduces the puffiness and under eye circles also. It improves complexion and skin tone. It treats for dry skin, it improves acne, it helps to reveal sun damage, it reduces the appearance of scars, reduces the appearance of stretch marks also. If you are having stretch mark guys, if you are applying almond oil regularly, it will be fade away. So here I am going to take 1 spoonful of almond oil. Last but not least, I am going to add here lavender essential oil. If you are not having lavender essential oil, you can use any of the essential oil. This is optional. Only for fragrance I am using here essential oil. Only 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. Now mix all these ingredients well. Come guys, let's start the process of making soap. Here I am having Pears soap. You can use any of the soap base, but Pears is good for melting easily, and also it is having glycerin. So here I am going to take Pears soap. I have shown you already how to boil this, how to melt the soap by using double boiler. If you are having microwave, you can melt it for within 20 seconds it will be melt. So you need to cut it into small pieces, or else you can grate the soap so that it will be melt easily. Here I have taken one full soap. See guys, my water is boiling. I am going to keep this bowl in it. Let it be melt. See guys, my soap has melted well. Now I am going to add this mixture in it. I am going to add all the mixture. See guys, I have mixed all these ingredients well in the soap. Now I am going to put in the soap mold. See guys, I have poured in my soap mold. If you are not having soap mold, you can use any of the disposable. Just you need to grease with the glycerin or any of the oil. Let us wait until it's getting set, and then I will show you how my soap looks. See guys, after 2 hours my soaps are ready here. It is easily unmolding. I hope you all like my remedy. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.